Okay, so what kind of situation do we currently have on GBP PLN? Now, from a weekly perspective, we have a situation in which the market has just created this very nice M formation. Specifically, when creating this M formation, the market broke below a very important structure level for this market, which is this previous resistance here. Again, turn resistance here. The market broke above it. It was turned support, and now the market broke it below, and it's turned resistance. And we definitely want to see the market go and retest this level, grab some liquidity before the next continuation to the downside. So go and fetch some liquidity at this area, complete the M formation, and go for a move to the upside. If we go down and see what we have from a daily perspective, which situation we have, the market went down, created a minor retracement, tried to go back down. Everybody started shorting. That is perfect because it gave the possibility to big banks and institutions to actually enter the market with a nice buy or with a nice buy view in mind. So a lot of buy orders breaking above this daily structure here. So currently the structure of the market from a daily perspective has shifted to the upside after the creation of this double bottom. So it seems like the accumulation here for a GBP PLN is over. We can definitely expect a retracement, a wick back inside of this area, and we can be looking for possible continuation to the upside if we will see proper confirmations from a 4-hour perspective. Now, just to basically pinpoint our target here for a GBP PLN, this is clearly where we want to see, where we want to bring the market, exactly this low here. So this previous support now turned resistance. So perfect. We have the structure. We know that at the moment from a daily perspective and weekly perspective, everything is pointing to the upside. The only thing that we need is check COT data, and then we will be looking for confirmations from a 4-hour perspective. So if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so commitment of traders, what hedge funds are currently doing from a pound perspective. Let's go and get our data for the pound. And what we can see from a pound perspective is that lately, hedge funds have been adding a lot of short positions on the pound, bringing net positions at minus 36K. So from the positive 35K that we had here all the way down to minus 36K. So from having way more longs than shorts to having way more shorts than longs from an institutional perspective on the pound. But since we are currently sitting at 63K shorts, the largest number that we had lately, we can definitely expect some profit taking on this pound weakness since the market has clearly also bottomed here on a GBP PLN. We definitely want to see a lot of PLN weakness. So we can definitely expect a GBP PLN to actually make it to complete this move to the upside. But anyway, yes, we have to be extra cautious because we do have a lot of shorts from a pound perspective. So how we will be approaching this with students? We will be waiting on the 4-hour time frame when the market will actually go to retest this area. On the 4-hour time frame, we will be waiting for the creation of one of our valid entries. If the market will create one of our valid entries, then we will be taking a nice long position with a huge risk to reward to the upside. On the other side, if we will see everything just continues to be bearish, we obviously will not be executing the position from a 4-hour perspective if there will be no buying pressure, because we have the possibility to just continue to the downside on this pair, and we will continue to monitor for the possible creation of another entry later on. But at the moment, everything looks good to be looking for a potential long if on the 4-hour time frame we will get the proper confirmations. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.